Certainly. Here are a few suggestions for starting lines for a morning assembly. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day filled with possibilities and opportunities. Let's come together with enthusiasm and positive energy as we kick off our morning assembly. Rise and shine, dear students and staff. It's a brand new day, and we're gathered here for our morning assembly to inspire, motivate, and set the tone for a day of learning and growth. Good morning, school institution name. As the sun rises, so do our aspirations. Let's begin our day with gratitude and a commitment to excellence in today's morning assembly. Greetings, scholars and educators. We stand united once again for our morning assembly. A time to foster unity, celebrate achievements, and ignite the flame of curiosity. Let's make today extraordinary. Hello, school's institution name, family. The morning sun brings new opportunities, and our assembly is the perfect start to embrace them. Let's gather our energy and positivity for a purposeful day ahead. Feel free to customize these lines to suit the specific tone and culture of your school or institution.